This is the end of a dangerous pursuit this morning on the 110 freeway in South LA. That black Lincoln Navigator belonging to an Arcadia mortuary had been stolen around 8 last night with a woman's body inside of a casket in the back. Minutes before 8 this morning, with all of LA County on alert, that SUV was spotted, the license plate matching. With LAPD officers in pursuit, it ended with the SUV crashing into at least 2 other vehicles and the driver taken into custody. We've confirmed the woman's body, still in the back of the SUV this morning, was not associated with the service that was happening at St. Anthony's last night and is not associated with a memorial service underway at the church today. While the exact circumstances of last night's theft are not clear, church leadership told me they believe the mortuary attendant involved, parking the SUV on Rosemead Boulevard, had left the keys in the ignition.